Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's September 3rd, coming at you with another video here. You probably won't see this one on my channel till the 5th. I have a couple others queued up, but today we're going to bring you BridgeDefi. If you want to check them out, bridgedefi.com is their website address. And what we're going to talk about, they have a number of things going on and opportunities in their website here, but what we're going to actually talk about today is their TradeFi. And what is TradeFi? Well, it's an NFT that you can purchase, $50 per NFT. They're only going to sell 2,000 of them. They have quite a few sold already. We'll get over to that page in a second. What you do get is you get access to their experienced trader. He has over 30 years of trading experience. He's been on the Forex side, now focuses on the crypto. Ashley's the gentleman's name, and they do have him providing trading advice on a YouTube channel, which I've listened to a little bit. And the returns that they are going for are between 10 and 20% a month. So not the moonshot stuff that you're looking for, but if you're looking for a nice return over up to 3 years. This is a longer term investment as well. So you do purchase the NFT at $50, and you're allowed to remove your NFT, your paid some profits monthly, and then you can remove your earnings of the other 50% of the potential at 12, 24, 36 months. And we'll get into the charts on that and how that works out. But if you're looking for a longer term investment of 1 to 3 years and getting 10 to 20% returns monthly on your funds, this is the place to be. And especially like this one, because you can get in with small chunks of money, $50 per NFT until they're sold out, and then you can also you can sell your NFT on the open market as well as you accumulate money as you go forward. So let's flip over to the TradeFi, and here you have the minting. They have a 1,324 totally minted already, and of a 2,000, they're not going to go beyond that. And what you're going to be doing is, again, is trading in decentralized world. So Bitcoin and the majors usually is kind of what Ashley focuses on. We'll get into the particulars. So what's going to happen, they started this in July. And now they were, I say $50, they were $50. You can see on the side here, the price has gone up to 55 because they've actually had some increases in the portfolio. And again, you have to get out at 36 months. So what's happening month 1 and 2? It's 100% reinvestment. Month 3, they give 10% payout. Month 4 is 20%, and they scale that up. So and then from month 7 to 36, you get 50% of your profits that are for the investment come back to you, and the other 50 are reinvested, which you get at the end. So the payout splits. So you get 50% of this 65. So the NFT holders get 65% of the profits, 30% goes to the trader, and 5% goes to BridgeDefi. So when we look at the numbers, it seems like a larger bit going to the trader and also BridgeDefi, but there are some good earnings to be made here. So if you look at, they have the schedules here for 10 to 20%, and if you look at your $50 NFT, which is now 55, but if you look at this, for if you invest $50 and you go the full gamut, you're going to get 771%. So it'll be slightly lower than that because you have to put in, you're going to put in $55 now, but it's already accumulated. The first month they made 14%, so in July into September they made 14%. So it's already been earning. They've done well. They do lower risk. They also get out of the markets as well. So, and we've all said this before, like investments are still tricky and stuff like that, but they are investing in a managed trader. It's not a bot that's doing the trading. It's managed by an individual. So another thing that I do like. So at 10%, you're going to get 771%. If you go the full 3 years, 2,417%. At 15%, and you can get like over 5,000% if you go the full gamut here. So your $50, it turns into $2,600 at the end. So good returns, and they're averaging kind of right at the 14% right now. So for the first month, so your $50 could turn into $1,200, and if you 10 times that, if you put in $500, you buy 10 FTs, you could get $12,000 out of this. So lots of potential here for a small input for large exposure as well. So I do like that. And if you look at the scale here, what returns, like I said before, at 12, 24, and 36 months, you can get your pool share out as well. So they pay you out the return each month. So as you can say, they kind of just did 6 months at 0 here, but they show you the return at month 7 when they're profit distributed. They're 40 and 50%. So the scaling is a little bit different than what they have above. But as you can see here, you can start getting paid out off your $50. What you'll get over the 36 months is your payouts per month keep going up as the pool gets greater and greater as they're making. This is based on 15% returns. and then this pool share is what's paid out when you get to the 12-month, 24, and 36 months. So your total amount you can get if you stayed in for a year, your $50 would get you $164, 473, 1208 as we talked about before. So there are some good returns here, and if you're looking at go long term, you can get even greater returns. Maybe there's the process where you buy 10 FTs, you pull 5 out at 1 year, another 3 out at 24 months, and then you pull the last ones out at 2 months. Again, not financial advice, just kind of one of the schedules or one of the things that I'm thinking through here as providing the education. Make sure you do your own research on this one. I do like the fact that it's a trader that's managing it. It's not bot trading, so I do like that. And the price again will probably be going up as they start earning more percentages as they go forward, and that just covers off that this will end at 36 months, and I don't know if they're going to do another round of NFTs then. We'll see, but the trader's committed to 3 years of trading, and he hits that. So again, some good returns here. If you like this one, check them out. I'll link. They have a Discord, and they also have a Telegram. I'll put those links in below. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Looking forward to bringing you some more content. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.